Hello there again. I am continuing my series here on the PLS power lead system. And with this particular video, I am going to provide you a disclaimer. Yeah, this is the disclaimer video of sorts, right? Okay, this one, it's about, will I actually continue with the power lead system as a paying member and as an affiliate member? Believe it or not, the answer may be no. I just need to see more interest, frankly. I mean, well, bottom line is I need a significant downline, right? I mean, so, that's what it's all about with this thing. If I don't get it, then, hey, I'm out of here. This is my shot. What I'm calling on is I'm calling on independent thinkers. Calling all independent thinkers out there. Come here. Click on my link. And enroll in the program at least as a free member. Okay, see, I'm turning into a regular marketer after all. Oh no, what am I going to do? But really, I think you're going to see more different kind of stuff from me and not the usual. So, hey, it's up to you.